Okay, we will solve this one. Find the next three terms in the sequence 2, 4, 8, 16, and 32. So, hanapin natin yung next three terms. Okay, so we will use this formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay, so yung given natin dito, a sub 1 is equal to 2. Okay, then kunin natin yung common ratio. So, yung common ratio is we have to multiply dito kay 2 para magiging 4. Okay, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. So, yung common ratio is 2. Okay? So, hanapin natin yung next 3 terms. Yung pang 6, pang 7, saka yung pang 8. So, this formula, so, una is yung pang 6 term. A sub 6 equals yung a sub 1 is 2. Okay? Times yung common ratio na 2. Okay? Tapos yung n natin is 6 minus 1. Then a sub 6 equals 2 times 2. So 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay? Ngayon, a sub 6, kita pa, equals 2 times 2 raised to the power of 5. So magiging, so that is 32. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, that is 32. Okay? So yung a sub 6, kita pa, a sub 6 is equal to 2 times 32 is 64. Okay? Yung pang 6 term is 64. Another one, yung pang 7 term equals, dito na natin ha, 2 times yung common ratio natin is 2 tapos 7 minus 1. So a sub 7 equals 2 times 2 raised to the power of 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. And then a sub 7 equals 2. Tapos i-multiply natin to si 2 6 na beses. So 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32 times 2, 64. So multiply natin yan 64. So 64 times 2, that is 128. So pang 7th term is 128. Okay? Last term, a sub 8 equals 2 times 2 tapos raised to the power of 8 minus 1. So a sub 8 equals 2 times 2 raised to the power of 7. Okay, so a sub 8 equals 2 times multiply natin si 2 7 times. So magiging 128 yan. Okay, so a sub 8 equals 2 times 128, that is 2, 5, 6. So pang 8th term is 2, 5, 6. So ito na yung next 3 terms na ating hinahanap. Okay, we will solve this one. Find the next 3 terms in geometric sequence, negative 1, negative 2, negative 4, negative 8, negative 16. So that. So hanapin natin yung next 3 terms. Okay? So we will use this formula. A sub n equals a sub 1 times r raised to the power of n minus 1. Okay? So first, kunin muna natin yung given natin dito. Okay? Yung a sub 1, this is the first term, which is negative 1. And then kunin natin yung common ratio ng ating sequence. So from negative 1, we have to multiply it by positive 2 para magiging negative 2. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. Then times 2 is negative 4. And times positive 2 is negative 8. Times positive 8 negative 8 times positive 2, this is negative 16. So therefore, yung common ratio natin dito is positive 2. Okay, so we will use this formula again, si a sub n. Dito natin ha, pang 6th term. First, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, hanapin natin yung pang 6th term. Okay, pwede natin blanco ko na lang ha. Yung pang 6th term, pang 7, at saka yung pang 8. Okay? Yun kasing hanapin natin dyan. So, a sub 6, pang 6th term. So, yung formula natin na a sub 1 is equal to negative 1 times yung common ratio natin na 2. Okay? Raised to the power of n. Yung n natin na 6, pang 6th term, minus 1. Okay? So, equals negative 1 times, multiply natin, kopyahan mo natin si positive 2, sorry. Then, 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay? So, equals negative 1 times, multiply natin yung 2, 5 times. Okay? So, 2 times 2, 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16 times 2, 32. Bigyan natin dyan 32. Then, multiply natin kay negative 1. So, therefore, yung a sub 6 is equal to negative 32. Okay? Yung pang 6th term natin is negative 32. Okay? Then, yung a sub 7 na pang 7th term equals, dito na tayo ha. So, yung a sub 1 natin is negative 1 times 2 raised to the power of 7 minus 1. Okay, equals negative 1 times 2 raised to the power of 6. 7 minus 1 is 6. Yun equals negative 1 times, so multiply natin si 2 6 times. Okay, kanina sa 5 times is 32, so add tayo ng isa, so times 2, this is 64. Okay, then therefore a sub 7, yung pang 7th term is negative 64. Okay, yung pang 7th term is negative 64. Okay, dito tayo sa last term, si a sub 8 equals, yung a sub 1 is, okay, yung first term na negative 1 times 2 raised to the power of 8 minus 1. Kasi n minus 1 yan, di ba? So, equals negative 1. Compare natin yan. Then, si 2 times, raise natin sa 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay? So, equals negative 1. Compare natin yan. Then, we have to multiply si 2 7 times. Okay? Kanina sa 7, sa 6 ay 64. Walang pala ito ng quantity. So, times 2, that is 128. Bilangan kanina, sorry. So, equals yung a sub 8 is equal to negative 128. 128 times negative 1 is negative 128. May airplane na dumaan. So, yung pang 8th term is negative 128. So, this is your final answer. Bye-bye.